After you pour gravy on it to make a volcano. Wow! After you pour gravy on it.